Hello and welcome to Chapter 7 Group's video presentation. In this video, we'll be making pierogies, a traditional Polish dish. Although the origins have some controversy, as Ukrainians, Russians, and Poles have all claimed ownership of the pierogi. Pierogies are a traditional dish for the Polish. They use them to celebrate Christmas, to celebrate Easter, and to celebrate weddings. They come in a variety of different flavors. Today we'll just be making a traditional pierogi. Alright, so in a large mixing bowl, make the dough, combine the flour, eggs, and sour cream. So the dough is made up of flour, eggs, sour cream. Next, we'll be adding a 1/4 cup of pre-measured water and 2 tablespoons of original sour cream. Ew. All right. And then you're going to mix the flour, sour cream, and water together before adding the eggs, and then you beat the eggs in after using a whisk. One egg. I said 3 eggs, right? What? Why are you laughing? Lightly flour the surface. It's really light. But like, it's liquidous. Alrighty, and then you wrap it in plastic wrap and let it rest for 30 minutes. I'll see you in 30. Oh, all right, while you're waiting for your dough to set, you can move on to making your filling. All you need is some boiled potatoes to make the mash. And a potato masher to mash with. Throw in some butter so that you don't have dry potatoes. Throw in a cup of cheese. Sprinkle pepper and a sprinkle of salt. What?
Nothing.
All right. So now that the butter is incorporated, it's okay. I'm not a perfectionist. Real close. There we go. Heaping spoonful onto the cookie tray, quite apparently. And you clamp it as tight as you can. Okay. All right, next step. It's okay. Next, we boil the pierogies for 2 to 3 minutes in small batches at a time. We're going to do 6. We're going to do 6. Once they start floating, you pull them out and put them onto a paper towel lined plate to drain the water off. And now they are ready to be either frozen or cooked for. Next, we're going to saute the pierogies in butter and garlic. Yeah. And this is our finished product.